Have you heard of that song? It goes like, we're not gonna sit in silence.
I have.
What's it called?
I don't know. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. That's all I know now you've said that. What's it called? Well,
I don't
what
know.
was that bit that you sang?
I'm searching it.
I could have searched it for you.
By the way, I have the dentist.
Thursday. It's not Thursday tomorrow.
Standing in a crowded room and I can see your face. Put your arms around me, tell me everything's okay. John Farnham.
Come on.
You're the voice, John Farnham.
Didn't we learn that once?
I don't know.
I think we did. Can you run through this song, please? Let's see if it's okay.
How does the beginning go again? We're all someone's daughter. We're all someone's son. How long can we look at each other from the barrel of a gun?
You're gonna have to learn.
No. You're the voice, try and understand it. And make it clear. We're not gonna live in silence. We're not gonna live in fear.
It needs to be belted. You can't hold back on that. It needs belting. Amy, I had a song for you.
No, I'm gonna play it on here.
But I already had a song for you.
Can you put on How to Save a Lamb?
I already had a
Can you
song.
please turn this up?
Only if you put that song on that I already got for you.
I will after.
That's the free. Can you stop being so loud with it?
I've got a song for you. Okay, I'll play it. Can you turn me up now? Okay, I'm playing it.
Emmy, can you please stop milking the hiccups?
I'm not milking it. Step one, you say we need to talk. He walks, you say sit down, it's just a talk. He smiles politely back at you, and you step politely right on through some sort of window to your right. And he goes left, you just stay right between the lines of fear and blame. You began to wonder why you came. Oh gosh. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life. Let him know that you know best, 'cause after all you do know best. I somehow managed to get one of my spits in my eye. No, because like I hiccup it, did it? I hiccup again, and then it's in my eye. It's in my eye.
You're lucky it's not my spit in
Oh,
your
thank
eye.
God.
Yeah, well, there you are.
Pray to God he hears you. I pray to God he hears you. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life. Boom, boom. What is that advert here? No, I'm not done. Oh, thought you were taking away the other one. As he begins to raise his voice, you lower yours and you grant him one last choice. Drive until you lose the road, or break with the ones you followed. He'll do one of two things. He'll admit to everything, or say he's just not the same, and you'll begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life. How to save a life. breakfast at Tiffany's. The smoke goes white. Oh, 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 oh. I know you love me, I know you care. Just stop whenever, and I'll be there. You are my love, you are my heart. We will never, ever, ever be apart. No, I remembered it. Are you proud of me?
Yeah.
Are we an item? Go keep playing. We're just friends. Are you seeing? Said there's another look way in my eye. First love broke my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby, baby,